Welcome to video 7 on our Year 10 probability video series. In this video, we're going to recap again nil Venn diagrams and two-way tables. So, first of all, you need to know how to put data into Venn diagrams. And here we've got a frequency table. So we would have developed this frequency table from using a tally chart. And then we've added up our little tallies. We've worked out our frequency of each of these events. So our events are students that like cricket, students that like football, students that like cricket and football, and then those students that don't like cricket or football, not cricket or football. Okay, so to fill in our Venn diagram, we've got our universal set here. Everything within the rectangle is everything that's in this table. So first of all, we've got set A, which would be those students that like cricket. And we've got set B, which will be students that like football. So the number of students that like cricket, we've got 10. The number of students that like football, we've got 15. And then the number of students that like cricket and football, we've got 6. So they go in the intersection, meaning they like cricket and football, or they like football and cricket. Okay, and those that don't like anything, they come down here. So they're outside the union of A and B. Okay, so there's 4 students there. Okay, so how do we put this information then into a two-way table? Okay, so what have we got first of all? We've got students that like football and like cricket, or we can go here first, that students that do not like, students that like cricket and do not like football. So that's our 10 there. Next up, we've got these students who like football, but they do not like cricket. Okay, so we've got 15 of them. So we've done these guys and these guys. Okay, who likes cricket and likes football and likes cricket? We've got 6 of them, and then we've got do not like cricket and do not like football. I don't know which one's going to come up next. There we go, like cricket, like football, 6. And then does not like cricket, does not like football, that's our 4. Alrighty, so when we do a two-way table, we then put in our totals. So 6 and 10 is 16, 15 and 4 is 19. And we add up that way as well. Okay, now our total, which is our total universal set here, our total number of students was 35. So they should add up down there to 35, and that should add up across there to 35, which it does because I double checked. Okay, so that's how you take information from a two-way table across there, from a Venn diagram to a two-way table. And then you could also do that vice versa. So you've got likes both would go into the intersection. Likes just football, likes just cricket, okay? And then you've got the one that falls out of the intersection, out of the union. Alrighty, so how do we link this information to probability? Well, let's have a look. We could find out the probability of A. Okay, so the probability of A is that all those students that like cricket, because A was our subset of cricket. Okay, so you've got 10, 16. Alrighty. Here, likes cricket, 6. They also like football, but they like cricket. And then you've got the 10 there. So that was our 16 out of our 35, which was our total subset. Okay, so likes football, got our 15 and our 6. Okay, so that's our 21 out of 35. All right. In the intersect, so this one is they like football and cricket. Like cricket and football. And that's our 6. So 6 out of 35 because it was a total of 35. How many like football, like cricket, or like both? So in the entire union of A and B, that's our 10 plus 15 plus 6. So 31 out of 35 because we've only got 5 that don't like any of the sport. Okay, so here we've got those that only like cricket. Okay, only like cricket. Don't like cricket and football, only like cricket. And that's what that symbol our symbols tell us there. So that's 10. And here we have got those that are only liking cricket or football, not liking both. Okay, and that's our 25. Okay, so now let's have a look at how we create Venn diagrams. So this is all our revision. So our universal set here is going to be looking at the positive integers up to and including the value of 20. Subset A is going to be all our even values. Subset B, in this case, is going to be factors of 20. Okay, so let's have a look here. All of our subset A values, okay, so this is all our even values. So if you have a look here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements in subset A. Subset B, those factors of 20, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements in subset B. Our union, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements in our union, in our intersection. And then outside of the union, okay, so remembering that means the complement. So outside of the union of A and B, we've got all these values, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they're all the values that are not an even number and not a factor of 20. Alrighty, so how do we put these into our Venn diagram? Well, here it is. Now, there are 10 values in A. Why have I not written 10 there? Because 4 of those 10 values are also in the intersect. So what I did was that addition rule as such. I went, okay, I've got 10. I'm going to take away the 4 that are in there. That gives me 6. And here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but 4 of them are a value that's also shared with A, so they're there. So I can only have 2 in subgroup B. Right, subset B. I know that outside the union I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's the 8 that's there. All right, so you see how I've created the Venn diagram? And then you could put that information into a two-way table then if you wished. Hope that's clarified a few things for you, and I'll see you in our next video.